Today I have for you not one, but two DIY nail shacks. We have the adult version and the junior version. I am so excited about opening these, guys. So stay tuned for what comes in these subscriptions. Hello, welcome to Subscriptions Galore. My name is Kristen and I unbox all things subscriptions. I am so excited about this. So you guys, if you've seen my previous Nail Shack videos, you guys know that Nail Shack has become one of my favorite subscriptions. They are just gorgeous, so much fun, so easy to use. I currently don't have anything on my nails, but I frequently do, and I don't know. I used to love painting my nails, but it was messy. I would always mess them up. I would never let it dry in time and then smudge them. So the drying time was a problem. My nails are very paper thin, so things chipped. And within 2 to 3 days, my nail polish would be all chipped and starting to come off. And then I'd pick at it. So I just kind of stopped wearing nail polish on my fingers. I would wear it very, very infrequently, even though it's something that I love. And so DIY Nail Shack has kind of renewed my love for my nails, and it's not just solid colors, which is fantastic because I am not a nail artist and I'm not going to be getting manicures on a regular basis. So these nail strips are just a great way to have fun designs on your nails. And I love the fact that I can get crazy patterns, and it only takes me like 15 minutes to do all of my nails and I'm done. There's zero dry time. It is just so easy, so quick. Let's talk pricing. The original nail pack for adults is $12.95 a month. If you sign up for like 3 months, 6 months, a year, the price goes down. So if you sign up for a year, you can get it for $9.95, and you get 4 different kinds of nail strips a month, plus a little file and sometimes a cuticle pusher, which if you have short nails is fantastic for getting into the corners and the edges of the nail strips. The first couple times I've worn nail strips, I've always had a problem of getting my edges pushed down, and so the cuticle pushers work fantastic for that. And then we have a brand new one. This is our junior's version, and look how cute she decorated it with stickers. The junior version starts at $9.95 a month, and you can get it for as low as $8.75 if you sign up for a whole year. The fun thing is, so far I have not had repeating patterns. They've all been new and different patterns. It's always a surprise every month. However, if you do subscribe, follow her on Instagram. She does post a lot of pictures, but I'm so excited to find out what is in these. Oh, I have a code. Hello, Galore, all caps, right down here. I'll put it on here. It's also going to be down below. You get 20% off your first order, which makes these even more inexpensive. So fantastic. I rave about these. Love them so much. Also, if you follow Deanna on Facebook, she has a shop, so you can buy individual packets. If that is your thing, if you really don't want the subscription and want to be able to choose, you can purchase them individually. Or if there's one you really like and you run out of it, you can go on there and and purchase it. So, which one should I do? Let's go with the juniors because it is new. My daughter is so excited to open this up and try these on. And I've used the adult versions with her before. It just takes a little extra time trimming them down. So it's not like the adult ones don't work. They're just made for bigger fingernails. So they come in beautifully wrapped packages. So we have our nail file, and this one is just so cute with smiley faces on it. Then we have a strip of nail stickers. Can you see those? Those are pretty. And I think these nail stickers you actually have to seal with a clear polish to get them to stay longer. And then we have our nail strips. Okay, I'm gonna flip them over. Our first one is just so stinking cute with unicorns on it. I hope my camera is focusing well. It looks blurry. Those are beautiful, so fun, and unicorns are such a hit for kids right now. This one here says, have a magical birthday. So that'd be fun if it's your kid's birthday. And you know what? My daughter's birthday is coming up next month in July. So I am definitely going to see if we can hold out, or at least save in these ones and save those for her birthday. Now she has small fingernails like me, so she can definitely get 2 stickers out of or 2 fingernails out of each one. So this is going to last quite a while. For me, they last about 3 applications. And the next one is beautiful. It's more subdued, a little mellow with butterflies all over it, but it's still gorgeous and still so much fun. Great subscription. I love this. Alright, now the adult version includes an instruction sheet on how to apply them. There is a Nail Shack Toes coming soon, which is going to be fantastic. I love that she's got your tips, your toes, your child's tips covered. It's just great. It's fun, and I'm excited to see what the toes one is going to have in it. We have the same packaging for the adult one. And I'm trying not to lose everything. So we have a nail file. This one is a zebra print nail file. I love that she sends a nail file each month because these ones wear out quickly, and you need a new nail file every single month. And then we have a cuticle pusher. These are great. They're just soft silicone tips, and I love using them to rub down the nail strip onto my finger. Okay, now for the exciting part, the nail strips. We have 4 of them, and these are beautiful, just absolutely beautiful. So I love, well, let me show you, then I'll explain more what I love. Okay, so first up we have like angled, what would that call it? Be slanted, kind of rainbows with glitter on them. These ones are just beautiful, fun, vibrant, summery. Love these neon. Oh my goodness, those are gorgeous. These would be gorgeous as accent nails if you had like a solid color that matched one of these, or just as a full set themselves. These ones, beautiful red. You can tell that these ones are going to be like see-through. It's a chunky glitter red, so it's not solid red. You will be able to see your nail underneath it. And then last but not least, we have American flag ones. These ones are beautiful. Love them. So this is what I was saying. I love that she gave us American flag ones in June, because July 4th is at the beginning of July, that if she had waited till July's package, you would get them after the 4th. So if you want a patriotic themed nail for the 4th, you can save it and use it then. And if you want something a little less subtle, maybe wearing American flags on your nails just isn't your thing, the red glitter would also be great for the 4th of July. So I love that you have options. Well, I am so excited, cannot wait to wear these and try these on, and I love this subscription. One of my absolute favorite subscriptions right now, and can't say enough. about it, so go check it out if nail strips are your things. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next video. Bye!